completely phony. It's all crap.
It's been passed on as a tradition to every generation.
Fuck it!
And publishing in the 60s and continues to the present day. It was about a family of bears, Lindstein bears, and I gotta admit, neither did I. So my expectations, well, we can't disappoint too much. Right? First, let's check out Extreme Sports on Game Boy Color. It's one of the clear cartridges, indicating that it's exclusive for the Game Boy Color, meaning it's not backwards compatible with the original Game Boy or the Super Game Boy.
Here's how to order.
Text is so sloppy, how you hide it. I think they did, but it looks more like the bullshit man with a giant dirty Q-tip. Dirty because, well, you could imagine. There's also sledding, bike riding, and skateboarding. Yes. The courses all play the same way, basically, and they go by quick. You could experience the whole game in less than 10 minutes. It's even more basic than Skate or Die. In fact, it makes Skate or Die look like one of the Tony Hawk games. This would have been alright if it was released on the NES and it makes Skate or Die look like one of the Tony Hawk games. Alright if it was released on the NES and yeah, you hear that? That's the distinct sound of bikes. Hear that? That's the distinct sound of bike. Let's get the whole family in. Right?
It's illegal, you know.
Shitty. Speaking of primitive, let's go backwards in time. You know they made a Berenstain Bears game on Atari 2600? It's pretty interesting because... Whoa, wait a minute. Berenstain?
Man, this show sucks!
Anyway, what makes this game interesting is that it was made specifically for the Sound One or KidVid voice module, an audio cassette player that connects to...
Oh!
Kinda reminds me of that other one. You know, the Intellivoice voice synthesis module, which in 1983, it worked in a dispensing different
Haha! E for everyone.
different.
That wasn't very everyone.
Only from the glue that holds them can't be found. So come on, kids, and stick around.
Each card.
Push the red button, they'll disappear.
Yeah.
After you complete the task, like making the Smurf piss in the cup, the game sends a signal back to the cassette player to advance the tape.
Way to go, congratulations. May this be one of many standing ovations.
To be honest, it actually works. Meaning it does what it's supposed to do. I wonder if anything would happen if you put a fucking Slayer tape in there. Now, getting back to Berenstain Bears. The gameplay is as simple as you can get, no matter Bela Lugosi.
You can hit it, bounce it, bunt it, punt it, kick it around. Ball, spell ball.
Speaking of balls,
Damn, this girl is ratchet!
balls, this game sucks. Well, here's another one.
Well,
Sega Genesis.
time to win.
Hang
Surprise!
the
Sorry
fuck
to
on.
pop in unannounced.
That can't be the correct spelling. I know for a fact it was Berenstain.
Was there ever
with an
any doubt?
E, not an A. Actually, the most likely pronunciation
The outcome
would be
was
Berenstain, since it spelled the same way like Frankenstein. But everybody I
What did
ever
they
met
expect?
says Berenstain. It was wrong.
No! Anything but screamo!
Anyway, the Berenstain Bears camping adventure for bears. Then you get a choice of stage. It's always a stage. It's always a stage. They're all your typical side-scrolling action. All of them involve hopping across platforms, stomping on animals to make them disappear, bouncing on or wow, I pointed that out 10 years ago, and now still I'm making the same exact complaints. But I'll try to find some new interesting observations for you. Nope. Nope. Bap! Jumps! When Brother Bear squats, he looks like he's forcing out a... Whoa. Holy shit! I think it's a glitch. Do you think it's a glitch? I think it's a glitch.
Once a boy called Richard came to school and said,
okay, it's just a glitch. That explains...